There is a pronunciation mistake that almost every single person learning Ukrainian makes. Seriously, your grammar could be perfect, your vocabulary could be huge. But if you make this one tiny error, you'll always sound like you are still learning. I'm talking about the soft sign. But don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the simple way to finally master it. Let's get into it. So, what is the critical mistake? It's all about a single tiny letter in the Ukrainian alphabet that doesn't actually make its own sound. I'm talking about м'який знак, the soft sign, that looks like this. The soft sign, м'який знак, has one job: to change how you say the consonant that comes right before it. That's it. Its only purpose is to soften the consonant. Think of it as a secret instruction to the letter before it. It's not a sound, it's a modifier. So, how do you think about this softening? The best analogy is a physical one. Picture a hard consonant as a solid, firm block. The soft sign comes along and turns that block into a soft pillow. The sound goes from sharp and defined to gentle and cushioned. Phonetically, this is called palatalization. All that means you have to change your tongue's position. You raise the middle part of your tongue so it gets closer to the hard palate, the roof of your mouth. To really get this, we need to zoom out for a second and talk about a basic rule of Ukrainian sounds. Pretty much every consonant has a hard version and a soft version. They come in pairs. In Ukrainian, there are about 10 consonants that can be softened. A really useful phrase to help remember the most common ones is «де ти з'їси цілини». The consonants in that phrase, d, t, z, s, c, l, n, plus z and r, are the main ones you'll see getting softened. So, what does this actually look like? Let's take the letter T. The hard sound T is what you hear in the word tam, meaning there. It's a crisp, clear T sound. But when you add a soft sign, like in 10, the final T becomes soft T. It's a completely different sound. The same goes for other pairs. The hard N in stan becomes a soft N in stan. The hard L in still becomes a soft L in sil. Thinking in these pairs is the key. Alright, enough theory. Let's get our mouths to do something new. We are going to walk through the most common hard and soft pairs. Let's start with the most important one. Hard L versus soft L. For the hard L, like in lampa, the very tip of your tongue presses firmly against the ridge behind your top teeth. Try it. La. La. Feel that solid contact? That's a hard L. Now for the soft L. Your tongue tip can drop down, maybe behind your bottom teeth, while the middle of your tongue arches up to press against the roof of your mouth. Let's practice the difference. Repeat after me. Hard, still, still, soft, sil, sil. Now let's do N versus N. The hard N, as in na, is easy. Tongue tip is up, behind the top teeth, just like the hard L. Na, na. The soft sign N, like in king, you do the same thing you did for L. The tip of your tongue goes down, and the middle rises to the palate. Let's practice these pairs. Hard, stan, stan. Soft, stan, stan. Finally, T versus T. The hard T in tooth is a sharp puff of air. Your tongue tip hits right behind your teeth. The soft T in пять is much softer. The middle of your tongue rises, and the release of air is the way more gentle. Let's try it hard. Брат, брат, soft, мыть, мыть. Let's break down the most common traps people fall into, because knowing the trap is half of avoiding it. First, the big one. You hear this all the time. Something like дякую instead of дякую. It's one sound, not two. Дякую. Дякую. Second, R or R. This one's tough. A hard Ukrainian R is a beautiful rolled sound. The soft R in a word like трёх asks you to keep the roll going while raising the middle of your tongue. To fix all of this is a mindful practice. Record yourself, compare it to a native speaker. Exaggerate the tongue movements at first. It will feel weird, but that's how you build the muscle memory, to make it sound natural. Okay, this is where it all comes together. It's time to apply what we've learned. Your job is to repeat after me and really focus on that soft consonant sounds. Repeat after me. День, день, ніч, ніч, шість, шість, десять, десять, дякую, дякую, сьогодні, сьогодні, Львів, Львів. Don't worry if it's not perfect right away. This is a workout. The more you do these drills, the more automatic it becomes. And that's it. That's the secret to fixing the number one mistake that gives non-native speakers away. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And subscribe for more deep dives into Ukrainian language. If you'd like to support my channel, you can do it on Buy Me a Coffee with a one-time donation or on an ongoing basis. The link is in the description below. Thank you for your support and for joining me today. See you soon. Па-па!